Skytech Gaming Nebula 2, the one PC that finally made pre-built not a dirty word.
Ever felt like your current rig is quietly sabotaging every clutch moment? Like it's choking the second the lobby fills or the boss fight starts? You're not crazy. You're just stuck with yesterday's tech. Drop "stuck" in the comments if you know that pain way too well.
Imagine never again watching the FPS counter dip below 144 while your friends scream "He's won!" in Discord. Imagine Black Myth Wukong on Ultra actually looking like the trailers. No more panic selling parts, no more 3-week build delays, just pure, stupid, delicious performance. What would you give for that feeling right now?
Meet the Skytech Gaming Nebula 2, the pre-built that's been making custom builders cry in private. Inside, Ryzen 5 5500 with buttery 4.2 GHz boost, RTX 5060 12GB GDDR7 that laughs at ray tracing, 1TB Gen4 NVMe that loads GTA in 7 seconds flat, 16GB 3200 MHz DDR4, 650-watt Gold PSU ready for your future 5080 dreams, and a 120mm AIO that keeps everything under 68 degrees C while looking like a nightclub. One influencer unboxed it live, loaded Cyberpunk RT Ultra plus path tracing, and just whispered, "Bro, it's just working," on stream. Another pro editor cut a 4K timeline in DaVinci while running Alan Wake 2 in the background. 0 dropped frames. Here's your bonus trick. Turn on the hidden silent fan curve in iCUE and it becomes whisper quiet, while still murdering every game. Keep scrolling for the secret most owners still don't know. This thing is averaging 145 FPS in Cyberpunk 2077 at 1440p RT Ultra with path tracing and frame gen, numbers that make $2,000 custom builders quietly close their spreadsheets. One Twitch streamer went from a 3070 Ti plus 5600X rig to the Nebula 2 and gained 62% FPS in Warzone while dropping CPU temps 18 degrees Celsius. Another dad bought it for his kid. Kid now beats him in Valorant every night and won't stop bragging about dad's NASA PC. Over 4,000 verified buyers on Amazon alone keep it at 4.9 stars because it just works. No coil whine, no thermal throttling, no bloatware, no "wait, I forgot thermal paste" moments. Pros are secretly using it as their streaming B-rig because it's quieter and cooler than their main monster. Which part makes you weakest? The 7-second Windows boot, the 500 FPS Valorant, or the fact it looks this good while staying ice-cooled? Comment your favorite feature below. I read every single one.
Stock is literally evaporating as you read this. Amazon shows only 12 left on the last refresh. Join the thousands who went from "I'll build next month" to "Why did I ever suffer?" in one click. If you're tired of excuses and ready to feel what real performance actually feels like, smash that link below right now. Comment "Nebula" if you're pulling the trigger today. I'll personally reply with the one secret setting that adds another 15 to 20 FPS in every game. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your entire gaming life today.